What's up, everybody? Today we are talking about the brand new Zhiyun Cinepeer Weebill 3E. They were nice enough to send this to me to try out over the last couple of weeks. So what I decided to do was go ahead and set up a shoot so that I could actually use it in a real world situation and see what it would be like to just film an entire video on only this gimbal. So what I used was the brand new Cinepeer 3E that they sent over. I was able to try it out for the last couple of weeks. It's a very light, compact gimbal, as you can see. And I had the FX3 with the Sigma 24-70. And I was also using the Polar Pro Peter McKinnon 2-5 stop ND filter. Before we get into the behind the scenes footage, I'd like to give a huge shout out to my buddy Brad, who was the talent in the video. And a huge shout out to my buddy Wes, who actually helped me with all the behind the scenes footage. Really?
And action. Oh, I like that shot.
So some of the features of the new Weebill 3E is that it's a super lightweight compact setup, but it has a max payload of about 6.6 pounds. So most people who are using any type of like 24-70 or a little bit of a heavier lens and a normal mirrorless body, you won't have any problems with this.
I'll tell you what though, this thing is handling this 24-70 like a beast. Like there's no wiggle in that at all. And this is a heavy setup for just a small little thing like this. Ready, and action. And then go back down. Hell yeah. That was cool.
One of my other favorite things that I set up instantly on this was that it has a Bluetooth record button. So instead of having to connect any cables to your camera, you can now control the record button straight from the gimbal, just a Bluetooth. It was super easy to set up. It took me like 2 minutes to set it up.
Oh yeah.
Damn, that is sick. Look at the lighting.
One of the other things that I thought was great was that the battery life on this thing is really, really good. I also believe that this supports the fast charging, the power delivery charging. So a full charge can be done in about 2 hours and 46 minutes.
One of the best things about this is the native vertical mount they have on here. So for everybody that's looking to do all those TikToks and Reels, it's super easy, it's super fast. You don't have to buy another accessory or anything.
If you're living in the year 2024, you know that everybody wants vertical. That's where everything goes, the Reels, the TikToks, everything. So having something built into the gimbal that's quick and easy, it makes life easier for anyone trying to shoot vertical on a gimbal.
There we go. Vertical mount, baby. Super quick. And with the 24-70, which is.
So with any gimbals, there's always some stuff that is a give and take, and there's not a whole lot with this one that I would say that I dislike, but with it being such a compact setup, the clamps where you kind of balance everything and you lock everything in place, it can be a little bit cumbersome there. It's a little bit tight in there. And I feel like I'm always like reaching around something. I don't know. It was just kind of confusing. Maybe it's just because I haven't used the gimbal long enough to get that muscle memory going. But other than that, I mean, the shooting experience with this thing has been brilliant.
All right, so we just got done filming this today using this new Cinepeer Weebill 3E. And I gotta tell you, for such a small, compact little thing, it really packs a punch. I mean, I have had zero flaws with it all day today. We've been shooting for about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours. Battery life is like not even down a notch at all. The motors have felt great, even though I have the FX3 with the half cage on it and the Sigma 24-270. It's been handling it good all day in vertical mode and in regular mode. So yeah, I mean, I could see myself using this definitely more often, especially because of the versatility of it being able to switch from horizontal to vertical so fast.
If you have any questions at all about this gimbal, feel free to reach out to me in my comment section. I will do my best to answer everything that you ask. I'm probably going to be switching to this gimbal for my daily driver. So with that being said, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next video.